All right, welcome back to the deep dive, where we take your source material and pull out the insights you need, and fast.
Yeah.
Today, we're getting into something I think is super relevant for a lot of people. How small shops, especially in the UK, can use hyper-local video to really grow.
That's it. And our source for this is Easy Gold Marketing. They lay out a really strong case that localization isn't just, a nice little add-on.
It's the whole strategy.
It's a core strategy. And they use the town of Shepton Mallet as a perfect little case study to show how it works.
So our mission today is to unpack that. We're going to look at the simple tools and the huge benefits you can get from using what's right on your doorstep, all based on what Easy Gold has found.
Okay, so let's start with authenticity. Easy Gold's point is that a local video crew, say in Shepton Mallet, they just get the local culture.
They speak the language, so to speak.
Exactly. They know what people in that part of the UK will respond to, so the videos feel relatable right away, not like some generic ad from halfway across the world.
And that feeling of reality is, well, it's gold, isn't it? The analysis really points out how using recognizable local spots just anchors your video. They mentioned filming at the old Shepton Mallet prison or Kilver Court. The moment you see that, you're not just watching an ad, you're connecting with local history, with culture.
And here's the kicker. While you're getting all that emotional connection, you're also saving money.
How so?
Well, you cut out all the travel costs, the time. It just makes professional level video suddenly possible for a small business owner. And you're strengthening that community tie at the same time.
Okay, that brings us to the gear.
Yeah.
Because I think a lot of people hear professional video and they immediately see, massive cameras and huge price tags.
Right, but the source material really breaks it down and simplifies it. They say beyond a decent camera, there are two things you absolutely cannot skip.
Okay.
First one is audio, an external microphone. People will forgive a slightly blurry video way faster than they'll forgive terrible, crackly sound.
Oh, absolutely. Bad sound is an instant turnoff. I click away immediately.
Instantly. And the second thing is a steady shot. A simple tripod or a handheld gimbal. Anything to stop that shaky homemade look.
Because that just screams amateur, right?
It does. And it extends beyond gear into the planning. Easy Gold is really, really clear about the need for a storyboard.
Which isn't just drawing little pictures.
No, not at all. It's about mapping out the story, the feeling you want to create. It makes sure that your first 5 seconds hook the viewer and that everyone on the team knows what you're trying to achieve before you even start filming.
Okay, so let's pivot. Let's talk about the big wins for that small shop owner. Why should they even bother with all this?
Well, it's all about engagement. Video is just better at making people feel something than, words or a picture.
Right.
If you're a local restaurant, a video of a dish sizzling on the grill, it makes people hungry. It makes them want to visit, right now.
And because the content is so local and relatable, people stick around longer. Higher retention.
But hang on. If we're pushing for better gear, for more planning, how is this actually cost-effective for a startup?
That's a great question, and Easy Gold tackles it directly. They say it's cost-effective because you're tapping into that local talent pool.
So it's faster and cheaper than hiring a big agency from London or something.
Way cheaper. And this is what drives sales. The videos can clearly show how a product works, give a clear call to action, and turn someone who's just watching into an actual customer.
And then you have to track it, right? It's not just post and pray.
Exactly. And this is critical in their findings. You have to track your results, but not just views. Easy Gold says you need to look at audience drop-off points.
Where are people leaving the video?
Precisely. That tells you exactly where your story is weak or where your pacing is off. And that is the key to getting better and actually growing the business.
So to sum it all up, the main piece of advice here is to really use your local culture. Yeah, your landmarks, your community stories, all of that builds a brand that feels real and connects deeply with your UK customers.
So what does this all mean for you listening right now? If using local landmarks and stories is the secret sauce, what's that one tradition or that unique, recognizable place that your business could show off next to make that instant, authentic connection? That's something to think about.